Do you know what Republic Day in India is all about? Every year on the 26th of January, Indians celebrate this very special day. It's the day that the rules of India, called the Constitution, started to work. They made India free and able to make its own decisions, with everyone treated equally towards a society where everyone lives together in peace and harmony. It promised fairness, freedom, equality, and brotherhood to all Indians. Therefore, Republic Day isn't just a regular day, it's a big for the spirit of democracy, togetherness, and the strong will of a country. Now let's learn more about the story that led us to this important day. The path from being free to becoming a republic was a tough one. After getting free from British rule on August 15, 1947, India started a difficult journey. The first few years were about being controlled by the British to controlling themselves. When India became free, it was still ruled by a king, George VI, just like during British rule. But there was a strong desire for a new constitution, a rule book that could show the way for India's different cultures and democratic hopes. Everyone wanted a rule book to help India become a fully independent republic. This led to the formation of the Constituent Assembly, a group given the huge task of writing the constitution. And so, they started working on a constitution that would become very important for the world's largest democracy. A group of people called the Constituent Assembly, led by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, set out to create a rule book or a constitution that would show the hopes and dreams of all different types of people of society. This group was made up of people from different places who spoke different languages and had different traditions. Each person in the group held the wishes of the people of India in their hearts, wanting to build a future where everyone was treated fairly and had the same rights. The Constituent Assembly was a mini version of India, showing how different people can come together and be strong. The job was big and took a long time, but they didn't give up. For over 2 years, they talked and planned. They made a rule book that included everyone and showed what the people of India wanted. You can see their hard work in the introduction and main rules of the Indian Constitution. The beginning part of the Indian Constitution tells us about the important beliefs lead the country. These beliefs are not just words written on paper, they are the supports of this big country. The ideas of being fair, free, equal, and united are what keep the Indian Constitution strong. Being fair means each person is treated the same in their daily life, jobs, and politics. Being free in your thoughts, words, faith, and worship means that everyone can be themselves, think freely, and express their beliefs. Being equal means everyone has the same chance to grow and do well. Being united makes the people of this country, who are all different, feel like one big family. These ideas are very important in the Constitution, showing the hard work and hopes of the people of India. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar played a big role in creating these ideas and the Constitution itself. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was the main person who helped write the Constitution. He made a big impact on how the Constitution was made. He was really smart and knew a lot about laws and how a country should be run. He made sure that the Constitution took into account the dreams and hopes of all different people in our country. He understood that India is a big mix of different languages, religions, and ways of life. This helped him write a constitution that looked after the needs of every person. Dr. Ambedkar believed in fairness for everyone. He fought hard against unfairness and helped those who were often left out or ignored. His dream of a fair society is in the Constitution, which promises everyone, no matter who they are, the same rights and respect. But he did more just write the Constitution. He also fought for the importance of education and women's rights, which are still important in India today. Every Republic Day, especially during the big parade, we remember and celebrate what he did for us. The Republic Day parade in New Delhi is a big, exciting event. It shows off India's strong military, different cultures, and cool technology. The Raj Path, which is a big road with lots of trees, turns into a stage for this awesome show. The parade starts with everyone saying hello to the President of India. After that, they open up the national flag and play the national anthem. Then, the parade becomes really colorful as the Indian military starts marching in step. Their neat uniforms and shiny shoes show how serious and committed they are. The Air Force also shows off their planes, making the sky look powerful and proud. After the military show, people from different states perform dances and plays. These show how diverse and rich Indian culture. The parade also shows off new technology, from space rockets to farming tools. This shows that India values its history but is also looking forward to the future. The displays from each state are the best part of the parade. The state floats, each telling a different story about culture, growth and success, show how varied and rich India is. These colorful shows are more than just big events. They show off the different cultures across the country, each float telling a special story from its home state. From Rajasthan's local dances to Assam's tea fields, from Tamil Nadu's detailed temples to Kerala's varied wildlife, each float is a picture story that shows how different each part of India is. And they also show how the country wants to include everyone in its growth, celebrating not just the rich culture, but also the progress each state has made. In short, these floats show how India values unity in diversity, an idea that is at the very center of the Indian Republic. As we celebrate Republic Day, we're celebrating not just an important event in history, but the lasting ideas of democracy, unity, and diversity that make India what it is. Having journeyed through the vibrant tapestry of India's Republic Day celebrations, we hope you found this video both enlightening and engaging. Every tableau, every dance, every salute tells a story of our rich culture, our struggles, and our progress. But we've only scratched the surface of India's vast history and diverse culture. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, we invite you to join us in exploring more about India, its history, and its vibrant culture. Kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Your support encourages us to delve deeper and bring more such stories to light. Remember, knowledge is power. Stay curious, stay informed, and together, let's celebrate the spirit of India. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more insightful videos. Jai Hind.